Tell yourself, it could have been worse. Tell yourself, I'm sure there's something to learn from this. Okay? Adapt. See, change is constant. Dinosaurs became extinct, human beings survived because we adapt. How do we adapt? By being positive. Ladies and gentlemen, hi. This is Avinash Ananda here to share with you one more message with the objective to spread positivity. I want to share with you a story. I was 10 years old and I was sitting on a sofa in the living room, and my grandmother, she told me something in Hindi. I'm from India, born in a Hindu family, and she shared with me what she believed according to Hindu tradition. She said that, and I share this in Hindi and I will translate, अंतरिक्ष में 33 करोड़ देवी देवताएं हैं और जब भी तुम कुछ कहोगे वो कहेंगे तथास्तु. Now, she was speaking in reference to something that I had said a few moments ago, because I said something very negative. I said, I cannot do this. No, it's not, I will not be able to do it. I said something negative about myself. So she said, wait, listen to me. She said, according to our tradition, according to our beliefs, there are 330 million gods and goddesses in the heavens. And whenever you say something, they will say tathastu, which means so be it. They are blessing you, it will happen at that moment. So I thought to myself, I said 330 million of them. If I say something and they say it's going to happen, now I cannot stand a chance against 330. I'm only one. So I said, holy cow, which was an appropriate exclamation, but I didn't know it because I was 10 years old. So I asked her a question because I was very curious. I said, what if I say something positive? So she said, listen, you say negative or you say positive, their job is to bless you and say that it will happen, and they will say tathastu. Since that day, I've been saying positive things and fantastic things have been happening. And I suggest you do the same. What if things go wrong? If things go wrong, still speak to yourself positively. Tell yourself, it could have been worse. Tell yourself, I'm sure there's something to learn from this. Okay? Adapt. See, change is constant. Dinosaurs became extinct, human beings survived because we adapt. How do we adapt? By being positive. What I shared with you was what my grandmother shared with me, but I'd like to share with you that in every religion, in every major philosophy of the world, the message is the same. Be positive. In the Holy Quran, it is said that it is written that in 24 hours there comes a moment, a shan, when whatever you say, Khuda will say kubul hai, which means God will say that it will happen. So similarly, God will bless you for anything that you say, but when that moment comes, in those 24 hours, nobody knows. So always be positive is the message. In the Holy Bible, it is written that as you sow, so shall you reap. So what you think is what you will experience, what you will get. So think positive and experience positive results. In these times when we need to adapt, it is very important to remember what the wise people say. It's very important to remember what's given in all the traditions of the world. But the important thing is not just to remember it, but to apply it. Then we will be able to adapt in these times of crisis and change. Wish you all the best.